Hi everybody, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach.
And I'm Rachel Zink.
And we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle out here in Sedona, Arizona. One of the most mystical, magical places in the entire world. Oftentimes considered the root chakra of the entire world.
It's just beautiful out here. As soon as you come up the mountain, it shifts from the cacti to these beautiful red rocks that have so much amazing energy, and you just feel magnified, and your passion and your desire for your dreams just comes out.
And that's what we really wanted to talk about. We're here with some manifestors today who are climbing into the vortex, and they're going to plant their intentions in the vortex. We did a soaring high weekend at our home, and it was an incredible weekend. We're ending it up here at, Sedona.
Yeah, we're here at Bell Rocks behind us,
yeah.
just about on my head.
Yeah, and it's really wonderful. But what happens is people oftentimes realize as they go through a transformation, they realize that they have a destiny, that they are called to a spiritual life, a mystical life, a magical lifestyle, and then they give it up. They go out and they meet someone, and perhaps they fall in love, perhaps they get involved with a new job, a new career, and they give up on their path. And then a year or two later, something bad happens. And I don't think it's really bad, but something happens that reminds them that they had a destiny, that they had a path, that they had a journey that they were on, and they gave it up, Rachel.
Yeah, and it's just so sad. And we're here to help you fulfill your goals and dreams, to keep you on your path.
Yeah, and that's what we're here to do, to help you every day here on YouTube. We're on Instagram, we're on Facebook. We're here to help empower your life on your journey. Now, listen, we had a close friend who we deeply love, who she knew when she came here that she was on a mystical journey. She was on a spiritual journey. She was on a journey of empowering people's lives and helping them and taking their life to the next level, becoming a law of attraction guru, a magical guru. She knew that. And then she met someone and she got off her path. She knew that this was her place, that she was supposed to be here, helping, teaching. But I think she's going to get back on that path now.
See, so many times we take the instant gratification over our heart and soul journey. And that's where you always have to come back to, is your heart and soul journey. Is this experience in this moment keeping me on my path, or am I becoming distracted?
Are you just using the law of attraction to get a relationship or to get a new job, and then you give up what you've learned? You give up a positive lifestyle, you give up an optimistic lifestyle, you give up all the knowledge and everything. That's what a lot of people do. Do not give it up. Embrace it. Embrace it with your new relationship. Embrace it with your new job. Embrace it with your new home. Embrace a magical spiritual lifestyle, because that's what it's all about.
Yeah, and don't just attract anybody into your life. Attract the people that are on the same path as you. Attract a manifesting partner. There's where the key is, a manifesting partner.
That's what I did. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Anyway, that's what it's all about. Find a job, people, where you live that are in alignment with your goals, with your dreams, with your purpose. You are here, as Stephen Covey said, to live, to learn, to love, and to leave a legacy. You can have it all. A lot of people settle for part of it. They say, well, I got a new relationship, I can give everything else up. That's all I really wanted. But you can have it all. You can have all of it. You can leave the legacy. You can help people. You can help change the world. You can empower people's lives.
Learn to be happy the way you love yourself best and expand your love to include others into it.
We love you so much. We love the people that are here. They're not on camera right now because they're up in the vortex, but we love the people that are with us on this journey, and we want to stay close to them. We want to embrace their journey as they embrace ours, and that's what it's all about. Building, look at you, you have no choice over the family that you chose at this point. That's your family, but you can choose a new family. You can build a new family of manifestors. That's what, should we tell them? We are starting a new program in October called Manifesting 13, Mastermind 13. And it's a manifesting mastermind group for only 13 people in the world that will work together. And it's a wealth creation group. So I'm going to be telling you more about it. I just thought I'd throw that out there. And anyway, we love you. You're beautiful. Have a great day.
And remember, you're always attracting the good, the bad, the ugly, and the beautiful.
Bye-bye now.